That time check was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS, goodbye to me, Mancha. Hello, Ride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan. Ride Bar Blue.
Ride Bar Blue with powerful stain-away enzymes. Malupit magtanggal ng dumit mancha pero di masakit sa kamay.
Goodbye to me, Mancha. Hello, Ride Bar Blue. Isang labanan yan.
As tested ang cotton and polycotton. Sa mancha, malupit. Sa kamay mo, mabait. Ride Bar Blue. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Iba ka sa lahat.
Sample Plus Coffee Mix. Iba ka sa lahat. Tamang tapang. Sa lasa, panalong-panalo. Sample Plus Coffee Mix. May kape ka na, may gamot ka pa. Mabibili sa mga butika.
Boom, papaya. White rose papaya. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boom, puti ka. In 7 days, oh yeah, 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 yeah. White rose papaya.
New White Rose Papaya. May double whitening ng papaya extracts and vitamin B3. Clinically proven magpaputi in as early as 7 days with regular use.
Boom, puti ka. White rose papaya. Yeah, 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 yeah.
Papaya puti, papaya fast. White Rose Papaya with vitamin B3. Manufactured by ACS Manufacturing Corporation. ISO certified world-class quality.
ACS.
Pag-asa, tulad ng sikat ng araw, ang pag-asa ay sumisikat sa puso ng Pilipino. Hirap man ay dumating, tayo ay hindi bibitaw sapagkat ang pag-asa ng Pilipino ay buhay na buhay. Magpakatatag tayo sa ating pag-asa. Huwag mag-alinlangan dahil tapat ang Diyos na nangako sa atin. Hebrews 10:23. Pag-asa, ikaw ay an extraordinary Pinoy, brought to you by MX3 Coffee and Tea.
MX3. Dito ako believe.
Land Bank is transforming to serve the nation better. Sa digital innovations, mas napabubuti ang inyong pagbabangko saan man kayo 24/7. We bring financial services and solutions to the unbanked and underserved. Naniniwala ang Land Bank na ang bawat Pilipino ay maaaring mamuhay ng matiwasay at magtagumpay. Together we build a brighter future, from countryside to countrywide. Your future, powered by Land Bank. Land Bank is regulated by the Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas and a member of PDIC and BancNet.
DCXL News. Ang himpilan ng RMN.